Actor and comedian Bill Cosby has officially been charged with 3 counts of sexual assault.
Andrea Constant, who worked with Temple University women's basketball team, accused Cosby of drugging, then assaulting her.
Some 50 women have alleged similar sexual assaults over a period of 4 decades.
A number of these alleged victims reported that Camille Cosby was there during some of these incidents, that she was in the house.
The judge ruled that Cosby's wife, Camille, will have to testify in a deposition for a lawsuit brought by 7 women who say they were sexually assaulted and then defamed by the comedian.
Camille's been very adamant throughout this whole process that she stands by her man.
And if convicted of this criminal case, Bill Cosby could face a maximum of 10 years in prison. Now, our own Lisa is representing Janice Dickinson in a civil case against Cosby. And today, Camille, Cosby's wife, filed an emergency motion to delay her testimony in another civil case, right?
Right. That's the case in Massachusetts. So the judge there said, Camille, you have to answer questions in the case on deposition, and they filed an emergency motion, just like they did in my case. You know, Bill Cosby was ordered to be deposed by me a few months ago. They filed an emergency appeal, and it's now sitting in the Court of Appeals, and we're waiting for a ruling. So when you have multiple law firms, as he does, over 700 lawyers, as he does.
Yes, 700
And
lawyers.
one of the law firms has over 700 attorneys. You can file a lot of motions and a lot of appeals and slow the whole thing down.
In these pictures, we see him coming out of the court or wherever he was in the courtroom for this. He had to be. Was he?
Now you're talking about the criminal.
The criminal case.
This is
these
him
pictures
going out towards his arraignment. He's going inside to be arraigned in Pennsylvania. That's criminal.
He looks very frail, and obviously he's an old man. Do you think one of the strategies is just to keep this plate spinning until he's no longer with us?
No, I don't. I think his strategy is to fight all of the cases. And remember, he's countersued a number of women. I wouldn't be surprised if he countersues Janice Dickinson in my case when that time comes. Hasn't come yet.
For what?
He's saying that they've defamed him by publicly telling their accounts, saying that he drugged and raped them.
Can you slap these attorneys? Those slap, what do you call that? Those slap moves?
I wish I could slap some attorneys, but no.
You're
talking about the anti-slap motion. Yeah, here in California.
Yeah.
That's kind of a fancy motion to dismiss, the anti-slap motion. Yeah, we can do that, sure.
Because that seems ridiculous given all what's going on. Now, you whispered to me while we were watching this footage that it's because of the deposition that this is happening.
I think so. So here's what happened in the Pennsylvania case, just very quickly. You know, Andrea Constant in 2004-05 said that Cosby had sexually assaulted her. The prosecutor at that time would not prosecute. She gets civil attorneys. The civil attorneys take his deposition, and a lot of that testimony was publicly revealed just last year, 2015, and he made a lot of incriminating statements, like he got Quaaludes, gave it to the women. He says consensually. They say not consensually. When asked, you know, point blank, she says she wasn't able to consent to sex with you because she was so out of it. He said, I don't know. He didn't deny it.
And let's remind ourselves, we all had kind of issues with that deposition being released, right?
I didn't have any issues with it being released. I thought that was a good thing.
It was a good thing if he's guilty, but in terms of they were supposed to, well, we were out of time.
Okay, but the prosecutor now, I think, looked at it and said, now I have evidence to use against him. Now we're going to charge him.